Hey friends, if you wish to create a file without extensions in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it is easy. Here's what you have to do. Search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and open Notepad, and I'll call it test file. Click on file, select save as, give it a name but between inverted commas. So I will name it test file, and I will save it in the desktop screen, and I will save the save type as all files and then click on save. Now let us go to the desktop and see what has been saved. Is it a notepad file? No, it is not a notepad file. Right click on it, select show more options, go to properties, the file type is file and the description is test file. So it is a file without extension and it can be opened with any compatible software product, but it won't have an extension. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.